हरि ओम गीताभ्यासे 2-21 वेदाविनाशिनं नित्यम by S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Sunday, May 3rd, 2020. It would be good to begin every session of Gita Abhyasa with recitation of Gita Dhyanam and the Namana Vakyam. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम् ॐ श्रीपरमात्मने नमः। वेदाविनाशिनं नित्यं येन मजमव्ययं कथं स पुरुषः पार्थ कं घातयति हन्तिकम्। पदच्छेदाः। वेद अविनाशिनं नित्यं यः एनम् अजम् अव्ययं कथं सः पुरुषः पार्थ कं घातयति हन्तिकम्। क्लॉज वाइज एनालिसिस। 1a यः एनम अविनाशिनम नित्यम अजम अव्ययम वेद कर्तरी पैसिव एक्टिव वॉइस गौणम सब क्लॉज। 1b एक आ कथम पार्थ सह पुरुषः कम घातयति एक्टिव वॉइस कर्तरी प्रधानम मेन क्लॉज। 1c वा कथम सह पुरुषः कम हन्ति कर्तरी प्रधानम एक्टिव वॉइस मेन क्लॉज. So this is a complex come compound sentence because there is one sub clause and two main clauses. सुबन्तः अविनाशिनं न विनाशि इति अविनाश प्रातिपदिकम अविनाशिन जाति विशेषणम इंडिस्ट्रक्टिबल पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम नित्यम नित्य विशेषणम इटर्नल पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम यः यत् सर्वनाम हु पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम एनम एतत् सर्वनाम धिस पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम अजम न जायते इति अजः अजम वा न प्लस उपवत तत्पुरुष प्रातिपदिकम अज विशेषणम अनबॉर्न पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम अव्ययम न व्ययः यस्य तत् अव्ययम और न व्ययः यस्य सः अव्ययः प्रातिपदिकम अव्यय विशेषणम अनडिमिनिशिंग इनएक्सपेंडिबल अनडिमिनिशिंग बिकॉज इट इज इनएक्सपेंडिबल अत्र पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम कथम अव्ययम हाउ. नाउ नोट अव्ययम in the previous row is a compound word सामासिक शब्दः and it has its vigraha न व्ययः यस्य तत् और यस्य सः बहुव्रीहि. But here avyayam is the jatihi of the word katham because katham does not have any declensions, so it is avyayam type of word. Arthah how, and because it is avyayam indeclinable, there is no lingam vibhakti vachanam. Saha tat sarvanama hi pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Subantah purushah प्रातिपदिकम पुरुष नाम man पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम पार्थ पृथायाः अयम, that is the etymology, व्युत्पत्ति of Partha. Pratipadikam Partha. I am calling this as Visheshanam because as Pruthayaha ayam, that etymology, that description fits also for Yudhishthira and Bhima, though they were also Prutha's sons. Arjuna also was son of Prutha. So Partha becomes an adjectival noun. And here Sri Krishna is addressing Arjuna as Partha, and most commonly because of practice, Partha has become the name of Arjuna, although it is an adjective Visheshanam which can apply also to Yudhishthir and to Bhima. Okay, Partha Visheshanam, son of Prutha. Here Pullingam Sambodhanam Ekvachanam. Come, Kim iti sarvanama. What? Tasya Pullingam Dvitiya Ekvachanam. Tigantaha. Veda. Vid iti dhatu. प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी. अत्र कर्तरि प्रयोगः, एक्टिव वॉइस. अर्थः टू नो. लट् लकारः प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम्. घातयति. हन niche causative of han, and when it becomes causative it gets forms tigantaha similar to a dhatu of dashamganiyah and ubhaypadi, but here ghatayati is parasmaipadi. Active voice, to make die. Lat lakarah prathama purushah ekvachanam. Hanti, same हंत धातु द्वितीय गणीय परस्मैपदी. कर्तरि प्रयोग एक्टिव वॉइस, टू बी. लट लकार प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम्. अन्वयांशाः. We are going to do translation by phrase or part by part. So Partha, that is Sambodhanam. You, son of Prutha. Yaha enam avinashinam nityam ajam avyayam veda. One who understands him, enam, who is indestructible, avinashinam, eternal, nityam, unborn, ajam, undiminishing, avyayam. Katham saha purushaha. How can such person who understands him kam ghatayati, make someone die, va kam hanti, or kill someone? Chando Vishleshana, metrical analysis. Ashtaksharaणि प्रत्येकस्मिन् पादे. Veda vinashinam nityam. Shinam nityam, because of tyam ni gets two matras. Etesham matraha eka dve dve. Yaenam ajamavyam. Jamavya. Etesham matraha eka dve eka. Katham sapurushah partha. Rushah pa. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. कम घातयति हन्तिकं तिहन्ति. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अनुष्टुप् छन्दोत्र. स्वाध्यायः. नोट्स ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी. Description of him as indestructible, eternal, unborn, undiminishing continues in this shloka also. The two questions, how can he make somebody to be killed, or how can he kill somebody, have the answers inherent. Meaning, he cannot be making somebody to be killed, he cannot be killing somebody. But the answer seems to lead to the hypothesis that a warrior fighting a battle participates really to end the negativities such as enmity, hatred, ego. That is why warriors laying their lives in a battle are regarded as martyrs. Judges in courts sentencing death penalty to criminals also are not to be regarded as causing somebody to die. They discharge the responsibility to end negative elements of the society. Ghatayati. Being causative, that is niche of Han, fits so well to a judge awarding death penalty to a criminal. It fits well also to commander's command, charge in a battle. The present world war, COVID-19, is different. Instead of charge, the commands are lock down, stay at home, keep social distancing. We all have to participate in this battle to end the negativity of corona. Let us not be the martyrs, but survivors. To be mindful of him, to be prayerful unto him, the Purusha, Brahman, the indestructible, the eternal, will help so that we do not feel stressed during quarantine by oneself or imposed. Study of Gita is proving good for me, maybe also for my viewers, to observe the rules. On the other hand, COVID-19 is rendering a never before new perspective of Gita. YouTube has the facility to post comments, but I would urge upon readers to please send comments directly to me to sanskrit2601 at gmail.com. Shubhamastu.